Upgrading your home is about more than aesthetics, it's about comfort, efficiency, and long-term savings. If you live in McLean, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing replacement windows. While many homeowners focus on curb appeal, the real value of new windows often shows up in a place you check every month: your energy bill. Why your current windows may be costing you. Older windows, especially those installed 15 to 25 years ago, were not built with today's energy standards in mind. Over time, seals weaken, frames warp, and tiny gaps develop. These issues allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder than necessary. In a place like McLean, where summers can be hot and humid and winters cold, inefficient windows can significantly increase heating and cooling costs. If you've noticed drafts, uneven room temperatures, or rising utility bills, your windows may be a major contributor. How replacement windows improve efficiency. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced materials and technology that dramatically reduce energy loss. Here's how they make a difference. Improved insulation. New windows often feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gas, like argon, between the panes. This creates a barrier that slows heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Low E glass technology. Low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This means your home stays bright without absorbing excessive heat from the sun, especially helpful during McLean's warmer months. Airtight sealing. Modern window designs provide a much tighter seal than older models. This prevents drafts and reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames offer better insulation than traditional wood or aluminum, further minimizing energy loss. The impact on your energy bills. When your home holds temperature more effectively, your HVAC system doesn't need to run as often or as long. This directly translates to lower monthly energy costs. Many homeowners in McLean report noticeable savings after installing replacement windows, sometimes reducing energy bills by 10% to 25%, depending on the condition of their previous windows. While the exact amount varies, the trend is clear: better windows mean less wasted energy. Year-round comfort. You can feel lower bills are just one part of the equation. Replacement windows also improve your day-to-day comfort in ways you'll notice immediately. Consistent indoor temperatures. No more hot or cold spots near windows. Reduced drafts, especially during winter months. Less outside noise. Multi-pane glass helps dampen sound. Better natural light without excess heat. These benefits make your home feel more comfortable and livable throughout the year. Long-term value for your home. Replacement windows aren't just an expense, they're an investment. Beyond energy savings, they can increase your home's resale value and appeal to future buyers who are looking for energy-efficient upgrades. Additionally, many modern windows are designed for durability and low maintenance, meaning fewer repairs and less upkeep over time. Choosing the right windows for McLean homes. Not all windows are created equal, so it's important to choose options suited to the local climate. Look for windows with strong energy performance ratings and consider professional installation to ensure a proper fit and seal. Working with experienced installers familiar with McLean homes can make a significant difference in the results you see, both in performance and savings. The bottom line: if your energy bills have been creeping up, your windows could be part of the problem. Replacing them with modern, energy-efficient options is one of the most effective ways to reduce energy waste, lower monthly costs, and improve your home's comfort. For homeowners in McLean, replacement windows offer a practical upgrade that pays off every day, keeping your home comfortable while helping you save money in the long run.